Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we are going to be discussing affordable girl skincare. I think I'm going to make this a whole segment, affordable girl, and do makeup and skincare, right? So we already did affordable girl makeup, the beauty supply store edition. So this is going to be affordable girl skincare, the beauty supply store edition. And then afterwards we'll go into the different drugstores and then the more high-end stores. But here we go. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Now on this channel, I do have a few skincare videos, namely my daytime skincare routine and my nighttime skincare routine, right? In this video, I'm going to do just like a basic guide of things that I think that you must have for a proper or an effective skincare routine in general, whether day or night. Okay, so this routine you can do in the AM and in the PM. So the first thing that I recommend you look for in the beauty supply store is coconut oil. I've had no issues with coconut oil. I love my coconut oil. Coconut oil is tried and true. I can use it on any part of my body and I have no issues. But when you go and look for these oils, make sure that's 100% pure. It's not a mixture of anything else, because they do have the coconut oils that they say is for skin and hair, but that one has added ingredients to it. So you want the one that says 100% pure coconut oil, the one that when the temperature cools down, it hardens. Okay, so that's the first thing. And what that's going to do is, if you're wearing makeup throughout the day, it's going to melt off the makeup. I don't do makeup wipes. I don't recommend makeup wipes. It dries the skin out. I don't do the micelle water, whatever it's called. I don't do. I tried it. It's a hit or miss for me. I love coconut oil. It gets in there, it moisturizes, it gets rid of all the built up makeup from the day, and it just does what it's supposed to do, right? So I bop coconut oil, rub that, and then take a paper towel and wipe my face off. Okay, that's what we're doing in the nighttime actually. And that is also considered an oil cleanse. So yes, you could do it in the daytime as well, but this is mainly for nighttime. So that's the first thing we're going to look for, coconut oil. Next thing we're going to look for is a cleanser. Now what I like to use is African black soap. African black soap, 100%. The ingredients should include shea butter, cocoa butter, coconut oil, avocado, some have aloe, but it should be 100% pure, all natural ingredients. This is going to help with black spots, it's going to help with pimples, it's going to help with scarring, it's going to help to even out your skin tone. This can also be used in your nether regions if you decide to shave, or if you just have a vagina. It works, it helps. Okay, so that's the next thing you're going to look for, a cleanser, black soap, African black soap, 100% pure African black soap. If you want something a little bit more chemically, I guess, I don't know, Ambi has a couple different cleansers. They have bar soaps, they have a black soap, a complexion soap, and I think a cocoa butter soap. I think those are the three soaps that they have. They also have a foaming cleanser. They have one in a tube that you squeeze out. They have a bunch of different washes that you can use. So if you are super acne prone and you want something stronger than the black soap, you can always try that. And Ambi is formulated for black and brown skin types. Now after you cleanse, right, so the first step was the oil cleanse, and that's mainly for the nighttime after you're taking off your makeup. So you go in with your wash, and it's either going to be the African black soap like I recommend, or one of the Ambi washes. Any other soap that you find in the beauty supply store is typically a lightening soap. Okay, and if we're not trying to lighten our complexion, then you're going to stay away from those. So I recommend either the black soap or one of the Ambi cleansers. After your cleanser, you jump into your toner, and again, Ambi has a toner. You could do Ambi. You could also do witch hazel. Witch hazel is a little bit drying though, so if you do have dry skin, stay away from the witch hazel, but that's an option there if you're looking for something more cost effective. But Ambi does have a toner. From the toner, you jump into the vitamin C serum, which again is going to be Ambi. I'm not sure if Kiss has one, but again, I will look it up and confirm for you guys. It will be somewhere in this video if they do or if they don't. After the vitamin C, you are going to want to either, if it's in the nighttime, I'd recommend getting the kojic acid cream. This is going to be in the bleaching cream section of your beauty supply store. This kojic acid cream is not going to necessarily bleach your skin, but it is really good for hyperpigmentation. This is going to help to even out your skin tone and make sure that everything looks nice and even and flawless. Okay, Ambi also has a fade cream you can use. It has, I believe, 1% hydroquinone. If you don't want to use anything with hydroquinone because that is the bleaching agent, you can always go for, who is in the beauty supply store? BioClear. BioClear has 0 hydroquinone. That will help to even out your skin tone as well, but my number one choice is the kojic acid. If you're in the daytime, this is where you're going to put on your moisturizer. You're going to skip the fade cream because the fade creams work best at night. You don't want to do the fade cream in the morning. Okay, so it's cleanse, tone, treat for nighttime, cleanse, tone, moisturize for daytime. After you've toned and done the serum, then you're going to moisturize in the daytime. In the nighttime, after you've toned and serum and treated with your fake cream, then you want to moisturize. Moisturizers, again, Ambi. And Ambi's moisturizer does have sunscreen in it, which is great for the daytime. If you're a human being who goes out into the sun, you need to be wearing sunscreen. Okay, you need some type of sun protection, UV protection, and Ambi's moisturizer has that. For the nighttime, same moisturizer is fine. Oh, in the nighttime, you can also do your under eye treatment outside of the kojic acid all over your face. For your under eye, the more delicate areas, they do make under eye brightening creams. They do have wrinkle creams, wrinkle treatments, under eye treatments. Nika K, they have a brand new display with under eye treatments that you can use, brightening and anti-wrinkle. Both of those can be used in the daytime as well as the nighttime. So if you want to pop on one of those in the morning before you head out the door, that's great. You do that, you moisturize, and then you do your sunscreen for the day. All right, especially if you're not using a moisturizer that has sunscreen in it already. And then that will be pretty much it. That will pretty much conclude your skincare. They have, in the beauty supply store, you do have sheet mask options, you have peel off mask options, you have exfoliating scrubs. Queen Helene, that brand has been around forever. Like literally growing up, mommy had it, the mint Gillette mask and scrubs in the bathroom. Queen Helene is like a Black House staple. Okay, and she still has the mint Gillette. She has cocoa butter. She has, I think she has an apricot. She has a bunch of stuff. You just have to go in there and see what works best for your skin tone. If you have more sensitive skin, the scrubs might be a little bit abrasive for you. I prefer to use clay masks because they're more gentle than peel off masks. So that's where I would venture into, clay over peel. Kiss makes a bunch of different skincare masks as well as sheet masks. They have peel off. They have the sugar scrubs that you rub on, leave on, and then you wash it off. So they have wash off, peel off. They have foaming cleanser. They have a whole array of items. But starting out your skincare, your affordable girl skincare routine, this is what I recommend. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, leave it in the comment section below. Feel free to walk into your local beauty supply store, support these small businesses, and pick up the products that I've mentioned in this video. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.